With the stigma that surrounds the idea of being fanboys of male idols, it's always a breath of fresh air when it's not just the fandom that creates an inclusive atmosphere for these fans, but the idols themselves. It's admirable how many male idols are consciously fostering a welcoming environment for all fans, and SB19 Stell is undeniably one of these truly inspiring idols. Just yesterday, during his live on social media, he voiced his feelings and thoughts about their fanboys.
Kanina nakakatuwa sa event kasi bukod sa ang daming pumunta, ang dami kong nakitang mga tropa nating mga fanboys. Nakakatuwa. Nung una parang, story about fanboys. Before kasi, napapansin ko na talaga na ang dami ring fanboys. Pero nahihiya akong makipag-interact before kasi parang yung mga bago-bago pa lang kami. Kasi nahihiya akong makipag-interact kasi baka gusto nila low-key lang sila, ganun. Or baka mamaya hindi nila trip yung ganun. Pero ngayon, daming fanboys kanina. Tapos sila, interactive. Nakikipag-usap, sumisigaw, nakikipag-handshake, nakikipag-appear. Sobrang solid na mga fanboys kanina. Like, na sila? Like, palaban na rin.
As what Stell have said, it's really amazing seeing how open and welcoming the 18 fandom is for fanboys, and hearing Stell acknowledge their fanboys is definitely something that many will treasure. Again, besides just being an idol and fans relationship, this is also a family, and we're sure we'll continue to see the fandom grow as SB19 continues their unstoppable march for more success. Let's keep the love and momentum going. Stay connected. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Come on, just do it, fam. We'll see y'all later.